Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Vanguard account alerts to monitor trades efficiently step by step clearly. To enable Vanguard account alerts, start by accessing the Vanguard website. Log into your Vanguard account using your username and password. Once you're on your account dashboard, locate the navigation menu at the top of the page. Click on the My Accounts option. In the drop-down menu, select Account Alerts. On the Account Alerts page, you will see various options for alerts. Choose the type of alerts you want to set, such as trade confirmations or market movement notifications. Click on the checkbox next to each alert type you wish to enable. After selecting your alerts, scroll down to the Notification Preferences section. Decide how you want to receive these alerts via email, text message, or through the Vanguard app. If you select email or text, enter the necessary information in the provided fields. Review your selections to ensure they meet your preferences. Once you are satisfied, find and click the Save button at the bottom of the page. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your alerts have been successfully set. To manage or modify alerts in the future, return to the Account Alerts page at any time. This will allow you to adjust your preferences based on your trading needs. Now, you're set up to monitor your trades efficiently with Vanguard account alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.